Good evening. Good evening, sir. Welcome to Grand Palace Hotel. How can I help you? I would like to book a room, please. Do you have a reservation or would you like to book now? I would like to book now. I just arrived in the city. No problem, sir. How many nights will you be staying? 3 nights. Alright. Would you prefer a single room or a double room? A double room, please. Okay, let me check it. Yes, we have a deluxe double room available with a city view. Would you like to book it? Yes, that sounds perfect. What's the rate? It's 25 rupees per night, including breakfast and Wi-Fi. Great. What time is breakfast served? Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. in the dining hall on the ground floor. That's good. I will take the room. May I have your ID and full name, please? Sure. My name is Vijay Parmar. Here is my ID. Thank you, Mr. Parmar. Your room number is 308. Here is your key card. Checkout time is 12 noon. Okay. Is there someone who can help me with my luggage? Yes, sir. Our bellboy will assist you right away. Please have a seat while we prepare your room. Hello, reception. Yes, sir. How may I help you? The air conditioner in my room is not working properly. Can someone come and check it? I am sorry for the inconvenience. I will send our technician immediately. Also, I need an extra pillow and a towel. Noted, sir. You will receive them in just a few minutes. Hi, can you suggest some good place to visit nearby? Of course, you can visit the City Palace, which is just 10 minutes away. There are also the Lake Garden and the Art Museum. Sound nice. How can I get there? We can arrange a cab for you, or you can use app-based taxis as well. Okay, please book a cab for me at 5. Done, sir. It will arrive at the hotel entrance. Good morning. I would like to check out, please. Sir, may I know your room number? Room 308. One moment, please. Yes, your total bill is 6,500 rupees only. Can I pay by card? Yes, sir. We accept all major cards. Here you go. Yes, payment successful. Would you like a printed receipt or should I email it to you? Please email it. Done. Thank you for staying with us, Mr. Parmar. We hope to see you again. Sure. The stay was comfortable. Thank you for service. You are most welcome, sir. Have a safe journey. That was a complete hotel room booking conversation. Watch it again and repeat lines to improve your English fluency. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Vijay English Academy. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing.